We'll guide you through how to install Claude Code in VS Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, go ahead and open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Just go to your Windows search bar and search for Visual Studio Code and open it from the recommendation like so. And wait for it to load. And after it opens, you can just maximize it so it's easier for you to navigate. Now, once it opens, look at the left hand side and you will see a sidebar with different icons. From here, just select the extension icon and this is where you install extra feature into VS Code. Now, in the search bar, just search for Claude Code. And as you can see, this is the official Claude Code for VS. Just click on it and you can just click on install now. And just click on trust publisher and install. And now wait a few seconds while it installs. And now that it is installed, you will see a Claude Code icon at the top. Just click on it to open Claude Code. And the first thing that it will ask you is to log in. You might see options like Cloud AI subscription, Anthropic console, and Bedrock, Foundry, or Vertex. When you click on one of these options, like let me just click on Anthropic and click on open, it will take you to your browser. You can just continue or you can just enter your email and log in. And the Claude Code feature requires a subscription. So if it asks you to choose a plan or purchase, you will need to complete that first to fully use the feature. And once you are logged in, you can just go to your Visual Studio and start using Claude Code. Now, let's move on to the next part, which is setting up Claude Code using terminal. This part is important. Before we do it, you need to make sure that you have Node.js installed on your computer. Node.js is required because we are going to use npm, which is a package manager that comes with Node.js. If you don't have Node.js installed, just install it first. Just go to any browser to your liking. And in the new tab, just search for Node.js. And just click on Node.js and download it first. And after you have downloaded Node.js, just go back to your VS Code and open your terminal. After opening your new terminal at the bottom of your screen, now inside this terminal, we are going to install Claude Code using a command. Carefully type and paste the following command exactly and then press enter. Now what this command does is it installs Claude Code globally on a system so you can use it from anywhere, not just inside VS Code. Wait for the installation to finish and it may take a minute depending on your system and your internet speed. Once it's done, you can test if it's working. In the terminal, just type Claude and hit enter. Now the first time you run this, you may be prompted to select your login method. Just like before, just choose one and complete the login process in your browser. And once you are logged in, Claude Code will be fully connected and ready to use. Now you can start using Claude Code feature like generating code, getting suggestion, or interacting with AI directly from your terminal or within your VS Code. Also, if something does not work, make sure Node.js is installed properly and that the npm command is running. That's usually where most beginners run into issues. And that's it. You are now ready to start using Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.